guys. Beautiful Sunday morning. Baby's down for a nap. So, on last week's episode, we ripped out the floor, we ripped out the sink, stove, ripped out the kitchen dinette bench, and I think today we are gonna tackle ripping out all this. So let's see what we can destroy today. So this is why we decided to rip everything out. In the beginning, we were going to keep everything original, but after doing some searching, we found that there was actually a lot more rotting than we originally thought. This is in behind our sink and stove area. So yeah, now am I ever glad that we ripped it all out. We can start fresh. At least this way we know what we're working with, we know that it's been replaced, and we're not gonna have to redo it in, 2 years' time.
Well, there you have it, guys. Let me know if there's anything you think we should do in the comment section below. Subscribe and like the video, and follow us along while we redo this bad boy over the winter. Till next time, see you later.